Hi, I'm Dr. Pathak, vision correction surgeon. Are you having more difficulty with seeing things up close, like looking at your phone, watching a computer, driving, and kind of switching between all these different tasks? Oftentimes when people reach their mid to late 40s, they start to develop a problem called presbyopia. This is an age-related problem where the lens inside of your eye loses its natural flexibility. That makes it harder to see things up close especially, and it makes people more dependent on their glasses. Usually those glasses are bifocals, progressive glasses, or perhaps they're just a pair of readers that you have to carry around wherever you go. There is a procedure that can make it so that you do not have to depend on your glasses all the time, and you can perform all of these activities for the most part without depending on your glasses. That procedure is called Refractive Lens Exchange. The procedure is an outpatient procedure that's performed at an outpatient surgery center, meaning you go home the same day. It takes about 45 minutes to do, and both eyes are completed on the same day. You leave the surgery center with a clear plastic shield protecting both of your eyes, so you're still able to function, you're still able to walk around. It is essentially painless because your eyes are numbed up during the procedure with plenty of eye drops. There's also an anesthesiologist in the room who's available to give you medication through an IV to make sure you're really relaxed and comfortable, but not all the way asleep. For the majority of patients, they notice a pretty big difference in their vision by the very next morning. For most patients, it'll take a few days for that vision to normalize, but the benefits of refractive lens exchange include the ability to read your phone, or the ability to look at your laptop or sit at your desktop, and the ability to drive without having to switch between different types of glasses. Essentially, you're trying to give yourself more visual freedom by getting a lot more range. And the current lens technology that we use with refractive lens exchange allows for this new ability. With refractive lens exchange, we're able to correct nearsightedness, astigmatism, farsightedness, as well as, most importantly, presbyopia. Presbyopia is that difficulty with seeing things up close that occurs as people age through their 40s and beyond. The change in your vision is pretty much permanent, meaning that over the ensuing decades, your vision will not fluctuate a whole lot, but rather your vision will stay more or less the same. And while all your other colleagues and friends who are in this same age group start to develop cataracts, which is another age-related problem of the natural lens that occurs in the 60s, if you have refractive lens exchange already performed, you will not develop a cataract in the future either. As such, this is a way for you to really lock in your vision for the long term. There's a lot of really great technology out there as far as these intraocular lenses that are placed inside of the eye to maximize your vision. Our strategy is to learn about your visual needs and your visual demands, and then we can customize a solution just for you. So congratulations on taking the first step. Your consultation will involve taking some measurements in our office, as well as taking some scans, some diagnostic scans of your eyes, and mostly those are pictures to help us understand how your eyes treat light rays, how healthy are your eyes, how healthy are your corneas, how healthy is the back part of your eye, the area that's called the retina. And once we have all this information, once we have a better idea of what visual demands you need to deal with every day, we can come up with a better surgical plan that will address all of these things. And this will be a customized surgical plan. During your appointment, we're not planning on putting any eye drops in your eyes. All we're going to do is scans that involve light rays and taking magnified pictures of the surface of your eyes, nothing that'll cause you any pain. And in addition to all of these questions that we can answer for you, we will also talk about cost, dates, how to finance the procedure, and how to move forward with scheduling the actual procedure. So please bring all the questions that you have. We're looking forward to meeting you.